Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset factory settings to Panasonic Toughbook. And to do this you will need to click on the Start. Here click on the Settings. Now go for Update and Security, then Recovery, and here you can click on Get Started to reset your PC to factory settings. But before that, make sure that you have all of your data backed up, as almost everything from your device will be gone. Now let's do it. So click on Get Started. You can choose to keep your files and it removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files, or remove everything, removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. Let's go for this one. And here select either cloud download and reinstall Windows using the cloud, or local reinstall Windows from this device. And I will choose this one, then move to the next step. We can't reset while it's running on battery power. So this means you need to connect your Panasonic Toughbook to the power source. So there's a plug for it right here, and I will do it. Be right back in a few moments. So now it's connected to the power and we can begin a reset. And this may take some time. It will take about half an hour to even an hour. So just wait till that process is finished and make sure to not disconnect it from the power source. And best is to just leave it alone. After reset is finished, you'll be able to begin the setup, and first thing is to choose the language. And the rest of the setup you can check in our previous video on first setup for Panasonic Toughbook. And if you need help with that, be sure to visit that video. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.